If you use Firefox every day, there's a small hidden feature that can make tab browsing much easier: tab hover previews. Instead of guessing which tab is which, you can hover over a tab and get a quick preview, which is perfect when you have a lot of tabs open. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable tab hover previews in Firefox in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer, then go up to the address bar at the top and type about config, then press enter on your keyboard. This takes you into Firefox's advanced configuration area, where you can change hidden settings that aren't available in the normal menu. Once the warning page appears, click accept the risk and continue. Firefox shows this warning because these settings can affect browser behavior, so just make sure you follow the steps carefully. After you're in the about.config page, you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type Browser.Tabs.HoverPreview.Enabled and press enter. This is the setting that controls tab hover preview behavior. Once it appears, look to the right side of the setting and click the toggle button so that the value changes to true. If it was already set to true, then you're good and can move on to the next step. Next, in the same search bar, locate Browser.Tabs.CardPreview.Enabled. Type it in and press enter. This setting also needs to be enabled for the full tab preview feature to work properly. Check the value carefully, and if it is not already true, click the toggle until it becomes true. When both of these settings are enabled, Firefox should now be ready to show hover previews when you move your mouse over your tabs. At this point, you can close the about.config tab and return to regular browsing. Open a few tabs, hover over them, and you should see the preview behavior begin to work as expected. If you don't notice it right away, give Firefox a moment or restart the browser so the change can fully apply. This is a really useful customization if you regularly work with many tabs, research online, or multitask across different websites. It makes it much faster to find the page you want without constantly clicking through each tab one by one. And that's it. You've successfully enabled tab hover previews in Firefox. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Firefox tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.